on the ground
Oh, I
for
know.
50 feet. That's unreal.
He could do anything.
On one wheel. Put another plane in that. Yeah, nice approach. Nice.
Airspeed.
Beautiful. No rocking at all, Fred. You the man.
Airspeed.
Yeah, right.
Maybe got some noise going on. I wonder if that's the wind.
Airspeed.
You know, it does sound like that.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Well, it sounds like moving.
It was on the news last week that they were coming home.
Well, yeah, we
They
saw
flew.
them. They were practicing a couple days ago.
Okay.
You could see their smoke.
Oh, okay.
Smoke. And I saw the four-man formation.
Oh yeah, because winter is over,
Airspeed.
really.
Yeah.
They don't
They're
start
back.
till spring. Do you know, I think 1 or 2 pilots every 2 years that they switch something. Because they had a female now
Right.
that wanted, I forgot what number, maybe it's solo.
Well, they've made a new IMAX movie that's going to be out in May.
Okay.
Following the Blue
Oh, so
they're going to play in this at the museum.
Okay.
In IMAX, and it's going to be available on Amazon Prime. too.
ooh, that'd be free for me then.
Yeah.
Amazon.
Yeah, I think it's free.
Airspeed.
Is that-
Airspeed.
He gets too into talking, he just forgets he's flying.
I couldn't do that talking and flying.
Yeah.
No.
I sometimes tell people.
All right, Fredo, I'm going to land.
Airspeed.
You bring
Let's-
the L39?
9.
No, I did not.
Oh. Oh, that's
8.
the F-30 towards my
Watch out.
full power. Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's my own fault.
Oh,
I was
you,
behind
uh,
the camera.
You're filming.
Oops.
Woo.
Oh no.
Woo! It's on manual.
Get
No
way
way
out there,
yeah.
man.
You fly that pretty good now that I've flown it and see how sensitive it is.
Get down to the coast, let us know.
No, when he comes
Time
back to
remaining
the
2 minutes.
United States coastline, let me know.
What's that called? The ADFs, right?
He
ADFs.
does it all out there. If I go that far, boy, I lose it.
Air Defense Information Zone.
I'm gonna start doing like, I don't know, like.
It was perfect.
There you go. Now it's good. Now it's good. Taking off. Gotta get left, left.
Pull up. There you go.
Oh. Oh yeah, it's pretty stable there. Going around the.
Where you're flying, you probably get away with 4, but I don't want to push it.
No, no, I don't either. Where is it? You landing? Oh, huh? Oh, I just didn't hear you. All right, coming in to land. Let's see.
It'll drop pretty good. It's got to do a powered landing, so be ready for it.
10.
There you go.
Oh, beautiful. Okay, so it has a little right.
Yeah, that was my fault, though. I didn't do my part. I was talking.
All right. Well, that looks a little sensitive. No shit.
That was-
Spirit? That didn't sound good. All these damn planes, that's why I ain't flying nowhere. Last 5 years, Yes, we said that.
That's
That's unusual. Oh shit. Yeah, he's gonna get a long run in, I guess. Shit.
clear an emergency.
We don't need a crash. Shit.
1 minute.
Whoa! C-130 doing a loop.
Airspeed.
So those the ones that change don't work for you?
Those what?
The ones that are photosensitive or whatever, they don't work for you?
No, I've never used them. I don't know. I mean, I hear they say they don't work in the car because the UV don't get through the glass and
Yeah.
stuff like that. So.
Airspeed.
That's true. That doesn't.
Airspeed. Time remaining 3 minutes. Airspeed.
Oh, so.
Go for it.
Yeah.
1 minute. Speed.
To me, that 6L is quick.